How's everyone doing today? Had a subscriber of mine wanted to have me do a video on how I set my machine up when I take and maintain my road. So on my first pass, I pull the windrow in, slightly articulated, and then I got my moldboard up against my little maintenance windrow that I have out on the edge. I articulate my back end towards the ditch just slightly, just to offset my wheel tracks. Makes the machine a lot stabler. And another thing a lot of guys overlook is some of the older blades like the M2s, they had right on in the operator's cab, they had run with your differential lock, and I'm a big component of that. That way you're getting even pull from both of your tandems, so it'll eliminate a little bit of a hop or whatever you get. So on this side, what I do is I have my right front tire on the crown of the road, and I use that to line up with, and then I'm dumping the windrow just past the crown of the road. So I got it just past the crown of the road here. And then when I take and go to blade the windrow off, I will put my machine down the middle of the windrow, and then I'll adjust my blade accordingly. And then I'll take and dump the windrow. I'd say about, generally the way I was taught, you put your toe to the grass line, your heel should be about the back of the windrow. That way you leave yourself enough room to sneak in and grab the material when you take and come to grab it the next time. It's middle of July, it's hot, dry, we're just doing maintenance blading. If we have to cut washboards, we will, but generally this time of year, we just want to take and keep on maintaining the crown and keep the overall shape of the road, and that's about all we're doing. Back in my cab today, really like this machine. Might be getting another new 140 next spring. Other township that's got a 2016 is thinking about upgrading, so see where that goes. This one here, I got a dozer blade up front with some teeth in there. I really like that for when it comes to cutting washboards and stuff. I can put that down and keep my front wheels from bouncing and kind of scarify them out. So that really works good. Anybody got any more questions, just take and put them in the comments, and would like to thank you all for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel for more updates, and I'll keep the videos coming. Thanks for watching.